The Santa Claus rally is here. What's going on, team? It's Ricky here with TechBud Solutions. Hope that you guys are all having an amazing day. One of the things that I quickly want to talk about is NASDAQ futures are in the green, and not even just a little bit in the green, but this is actually pretty significant based off of what we've recently seen. NASDAQ futures are up 0.73%. 0.74% and still rising, but I've been getting a lot of questions. A lot of people are talking about what is this Santa Claus rally and how do you define it? Well, as of right now, one of the first things that I want to explain, although I am very excited that the NASDAQ market is in the green, right? I've been waiting for the market to recover. I would love to add more to my long-term positions. I'm sure I'm not the only one. But what exactly is the Santa Claus rally? So the Santa Claus rally is considered to be the last 5 trading days of the year, right? So Friday actually marked the start of the Santa Claus rally, which if you actually look at it, it did end up in the green, but it wasn't a very significant green day. If you look at the overall 1-day, 1-minute chart, it was a very choppy day to say the least, right? It still ended in the green, but hopefully by Tuesday, which is tomorrow, right at market open, we can kick off this Santa Claus rally, which is officially the last 5 trading days of the year, and hopefully end it above where it is that we are as of right now. If you look at the overall NASDAQ market, we could even look at the 4-hour. We're very oversold. So anything above the EMA would be a step in the right direction, right? The Federal Reserve is beginning to be less aggressive in the way that they're raising interest rates. The only thing that you do need to take into consideration, not the only thing, but the reason that the market has been selling off after that announcement is that they plan to in 2023 to raise interest rates a little bit more than what they originally expected. Inflation is coming down now. 7.1% is still not perfect, but it's a lot lower from where we peaked at, which, if I'm not mistaken, was around 9.1%. So the Santa Claus rally is defined by the last official 5 trading days, which was kicked off by Friday. It was green. It looks like we are kicking off hopefully Tuesday in the green, right? Today the market was open in observance to I almost said Thanksgiving, in observance to Christmas, and if the market were to open right now, this means that TQQQ would be up nearly 3%. And again, taking that into consideration, that's a pretty significant move based off of what we've recently seen. There's no question that the market's very oversold. It offers great long-term potential. But again, the question to always ask yourself is, can you tolerate the time that it will take for the market to recover? Remember, I will be covering all of this. I will be trading right at market open tomorrow with my Learn Plan Profit team. So we are running one of our biggest sales. If you're ready to join our team and watch me trade live every single day, again, our motto has been stop guessing in 2023 and start learning how to actually trade, right? Less is more. We have this saying within our LPP team, and it's trade less, profit more. Learn to be selective, understand what to trade and what not to trade. And if you're tired of guessing and you're ready to start learning, again, take 2 minutes, click the second link in the description, learn a little bit more about our Learn Plan Profit group, and see if it's a good fit for you. We are running our biggest sale, so if you decide to join, you'll be able to watch me to trade live as soon as tomorrow right at market open. And just so you're aware, yes, it is a one-time payment, and yes, it is lifetime access. So you get to watch me trade live every single day, right? No excuses. Other than that, if you are asking, what is this behind me? This is our brand new PS5, and we're going to be giving this PS5 away in just 7 days. It actually starts today. So if you guys head on over to shoptechbuds.com or click the 4th link in the description down below, it's a giveaway we're running right now. And for every $1 that you spend on the site, it equals 5 automatic entries. Let's say that you like one of our cool trading mouse pads. It's only $30, right? So if you buy a trading mouse pad, that would earn you 150 automatic entries to win this brand new PS5. Again, we don't run ads, just so you're aware. We don't run ads for these giveaways. It's only broadcasted to the people that follow us here on YouTube and the people that follow us on Instagram. That's it. So if there's ever been a giveaway you've wanted to enter, literally we've been giving away a micro prize, which is something like this for the past 3 weeks. This is our 4th micro prize, and then we have a $2,000 cash giveaway. If you want to learn more about this, again, click that 4th link in the description, learn more about it, and see if you can enter for a chance to win this brand new PS5. I appreciate your time. If you have any questions, especially before the market opens tomorrow, feel free to send me a direct message via Discord, and that's that 1st link in the description. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.